Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shivtosh Kumar, co-founder of SugarFit, and today we'll be talking about coffee and its impact on your blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that coffee may actually reduce the risk of developing diabetes in non-diabetics. The antioxidants present in the coffee are thought to play a role in this protective effect. But the question is, what about those with diabetes? When you drink coffee, your body releases hormones which can interfere with insulin function. This means that for some people, coffee can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, particularly in the morning due to the dawn phenomena. According to this, sugary creamers or syrups can significantly impact your blood sugar level, so it's best to opt for unsweetened options. If you find that coffee spikes your blood sugar, consider alternatives like decaf or smaller portions. That said, remember that it's all about finding what works for you and your unique physiology. So enjoy your coffee, monitor your blood sugar level, and make adjustments as needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes management tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.